Okay. That was not very good. Okay. In this video, I'm going to present the TBP model version 2. I finished putting this together last night, I think. And I'm just going to go ahead and show you. Okay. Yeah, I'm realizing just now that this shade of green is probably a bit too bright, but whatever. Okay. So at the bottom we have trauma occurs. Well, here's the whole thing, what it looks like. Trauma occurs either through a single event or over time, and it first affects either the body or mind. It eventually, inevitably affects both, since the mind and body are inextricably linked. From there, I guess you could say, either one trauma occurs or shortly after, one of two things happen. Either negative energy enters the body or an untrue thought enters the mind. After that, if the former happens, the negative energy, I know that's a typo, eventually disrupts physiological functioning. And if it's the latter, the untrue thought eventually disrupts psychological functioning. From there, the consequence of this, if it's the former, it's that the body believes an untruth. And if it's the latter, the mind believes an untruth. But again, remembering that they are both linked together and always influencing each other. Sometimes in subtle ways, sometimes in not so subtle ways. Okay, from there, the result of this, whichever one it is that energy gets stuck somewhere in the body. And because of that, energy cannot flow naturally. The consequence of that is a psychopathology. I guess there should be 2 more lines there. I'm just now realizing, but whatever. I guess this is kind of pointing to it, so I guess that works. Okay, so that's the entire thing. Very quick presentation. Couple things to note before I end this video is that chakras have a lot to do with this. Chakras are essentially energy centers in the body. They're non-physical wheels. That's a good way of thinking about it. The reason they exist, as far as I can tell, is to help direct energy throughout the body so that energy flows naturally. But they can get blocked or stuck. Blocked is the word that's often used. And when they do, then energy gets stuck, and that affects the organs, the physical body. So you kind of see what I mean, how that all fits together. So, but really the basis of a psychopathology is it's trauma, fundamentally, but trauma that occurs as a consequence of the mind or the body believing an untruth. So it's pretty accurate, I think. So, and again, the trauma can either happen over time, over the course of someone's childhood, or it can be through a single event like a car crash or, God forbid, domestic violence or physical abuse or verbal abuse, maybe something someone said to you or did to you. That would be more of a single event, traumatic experience. But it can also be over time, slowly over time. If things are not dealt with appropriately, quickly, then they fester. So, okay. I think that's it. So, God bless and have a good one.